Hi there, this video's gone live. Driving into snowstorm, extreme, weather forecast, Maybury, UK 2021. If you like the video, please put thumbs up. Right at the moment, this is on analog. It's 8 AM in the morning, and it is the 12th of April 2021, guys. So we are driving in snow right now. This is quite heavy snow, guys. It's splashing on the window. Driving out of Maybury at the moment. Very intense snowstorm over Woking now locally. It's raining mainly raining in London City right now, but it's snowing around here because it's cold enough for snow. It's -0°C. London's about 1 or 2 Celsius, but it's mainly rain over there in London City at the moment. But it is colder here by 2 Celsius or so. It's pretty there on the trees, the snow is settling on the trees at the moment, the deciduous trees, and on the greenery, on the evergreen trees, on the holly and that, and the roadies. Isn't it beautiful, the snow? Extreme as it gets when it's the snow, driving into snowstorms, which is the county of Surrey locally. If you like this video, please put thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel with a force view. That's what needs a minute. Enjoy this video, guys. The snowstorm, driving into snowstorm around the county of Surrey. As I did this yesterday, guys, and all the bumps and whatever. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye, everyone.